Yeah, it's going.
Okay, good.
Welcome to Inside Teacher Training School and our problem-solving session. Today our question is, what shall I do if my students are not speaking? What might be the reason for that? And our guest for today is Ahmad.
Hello everybody.
Ahmad is leading speaking clubs and his students really like him. He has been doing that for already 2 years. Students keep returning and they always tell me, Gaia, I want this specific group. I don't want anybody else. So, Ahmad, what do you think? What might be the reason for people being silent? What can be that?
Okay, to address this question, well, in my opinion, I think whenever students come to the class at the beginning, they have their heads full of thoughts, overloaded with thoughts, busy about thinking what happened to them yesterday. So they still have these thoughts in their heads. So I think we need to make sure in the beginning that they are there and not somewhere else. So this is the problem that we are addressing.
So how can you attract their attention?
Being very interested naturally, being naturally interested in the person, I think is the right thing to do in these cases, because you have to show the person that you are interested in him personally, each person who comes to the class. Yeah, but not by showing that you are interested, but just actually like being with the person.
Yeah, just if you say just some words, yes, yeah, but you're not interested, they will feel that
it will be
wrong.
obvious. Yeah, it will be obvious for you if you weren't attentively paying attention to the person. So yes, being natural with the person and showing interest and listening to whatever he is about to say. Actually listening also.
And if he's not answering, he's just sitting and...
Well, sometimes we find people who just refuse to participate anyhow. But they are participating, but they do not want to speak. They prefer to listen. Okay, for some people, if the person feels more comfortable, at least at the beginning, to just stay and listen, observe, so then later we will go on with the activities which will force him to engage with others. But yeah, we need to wait. So I usually wait a little bit, give him a chance.
Give him a little bit time to feel relaxed.
Yeah.
Okay. What I normally do is, if I see the student being silent and I know that he can actually speak, I call him by name and just say, Alex, okay, what's your opinion? Do you ever do like that?
Yeah, I think it's important. I mean, it's I think I learned that from you.
Might be.
Yeah. Calling them by names, of course, it's very important. I also do that to call each one by name. So in the beginning, I have to remember all the names, and I have to know all the names first.
But if the new student comes into the group, like they already know each other, but the new student, he doesn't, what can we do?
Of course, first you being interested, I will show him my interest, like to know him, who is this guy, and then by my example, students will have some activities for them to get to know this person. Maybe I think you once told me about an idea. Maybe you can share it.
Yeah, sure. I've got my favorite get to know activity, and this is when people are to guess something interesting about the guest. About this new person. For example, if you're the new person, I would try to guess, Ahmad, maybe you cannot swim.
And then I have
so what's that? Is it the truth or not?
I do know how to swim.
You can swim, okay, so I didn't guess that.
You didn't guess it.
So, and people feel relaxed when they try to guess about the person and the person is answering. So it's already the interaction between the newcomer and the existing group.
This is I think I will start applying that. I usually try some different get to know activities, but this one sounds interesting actually.
Sometimes students when they come to class, of course they want to speak, but they've never thought about the topic that you are introducing. They